Bear Snores On by James Captain and Karma Wilson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. A itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small heart spark. The coals pipe pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop ripe corn, and they drew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm." Twitters wren, everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In the cave, in the woods, a slumping bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Here strokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, and then small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo. He blows, he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnaws, he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. "You stuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse speaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, let's see where we can pop more corn and we can brew more stew." Bear gulps, bear globbers, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up, a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.